Welcome everybody. Today, that is the second lecture of COVID-19. Today we will take the knowledge about the COVID-19. In the previous classes, this was on the first lecture of the COVID-19. We have discussed general feature and types of knowledge about the COVID-19. But today is the second lecture about the COVID-19, and today we will take that what is the size of COVID-19, which type of pictures that happen COVID-19 and why we are affected from the COVID-19. Okay, here this means on the boards you are saying that this picture is the of COVID-19. Okay, and it's a size, so it's weight of this COVID-19 is 400 to 500 nanometer. This weight is heavy. Due to this heavy weight, it cannot travel more distance. Due to these reasons, our government and most of the people suggest to you that at least maintain 1 meter distance from affected people. Due to this reason, that weight of COVID-19 is 400 to 500 nanometer, and this weight is large. Due to this virus cannot travel long distance and fall in very small distance without cover long distance that fall on the earth. Okay, due to this, all person says and government says that maintain at least 1 meter distance from the affected people. Okay, this is the weight of this COVID-19 is 400 to 500 meter. And you know, and also I have told you in the previous classes that in the COVID-19, a spike protein is present. Here you are seeing that this is called the spike protein. Okay, and this spike protein from the virus side, this is responsible for affect humans. Okay, this is responsible for affect humans host body. This spike protein is represent, and from the human side, from the host side, ACE, angiotensin converting enzyme type 2 is responsible. This means this spike protein is goes in the human's body, animal's body, animal system, and in which system angiotensin converting enzyme, this means ACE type 2 surface protein present. That system, from that system, this spike protein attached. After that, that flow into other parts, that goes into other system of the body. Okay, first, that is from the virus side, this spike protein, and from the host side, from the human side, from the animal side, ACE type 2 surface protein angiotensin converting enzyme type 2 surface protein is responsible. In which system? This ACE type 2 surface protein not present, that surface, that system will not affect from this COVID-19, from this virus. Okay? Because this is spike protein attached from the ACE surface protein. And this ACE, angiotensin converting enzyme type 2, in humans, that is present in respiratory system, in lungs, excretory system, kidney, also in neurons, central nervous system, in the central nervous system, on the neuron surface, and also in the male reproductive system of testes. This ACE type 2 surface protein is present, and this part has a chance to affect from this COVID-19. And also this ACE type 2 is present in the heart. Okay, that part, in which system this ACE type 2 present, that system is responsible for effect from the COVID-19. Okay, but most part is affected from this COVID-19 is the respiratory system, excretory system, not testis, neuron, not testis, not neuron. It can happen that blood barrier that is present in the brain that stop, that is responsible to stop this COVID-19. This means that barrier, that blood barrier which is present in the brain, blood barrier, that don't allow to take entry of this COVID-19 in the brain. Due to this, we are not affecting from the COVID-19 from brains. This means COVID-19 is unable to affect our brain, testis, due to barrier, because barrier is present. And this is not able that they cross that barriers, and after that affect that part, that system. Okay, so this is the office. And after that, here you are seeing that this is the completely pictures of SARS-CoV-2. In the previous classes, I have told you that of the beta genus. In the beta genus, this SARS-CoV-2 is responsible for COVID-19. Okay, and from the COVID-19, from the side of COVID-19, spike protein, and from the human side, ACE type 2. Okay, after that, here you are seeing that this is the virus, and all viruses are chemically nucleoprotein. All viruses are chemically nucleoprotein. This means all virus is made from the nucleic acid and protein. All viruses are chemically nucleoprotein, and they are made of nucleic acid and protein. Nucleic acid, that is a single stranded RNA, is present inside the COVID-19. This means this nucleocapsid protein that pack this single stranded RNA. And this single stranded RNA is made by 29,891 nucleotides. That means about 30,000 base. Okay, and this single stranded RNA that is made by about 30,000 base, and that 30,000 base is capable of encoding, capable of for coding. This means capable of encodes about 9,860 amino acid. That 30,000 base, this means that 30,000 base nucleotides is responsible for encodes 9,860 amino acid. Okay, and this single stranded RNA is protected from the nucleocapsid protein. Okay, this means nucleocapsid protein is protect this single stranded RNA. Okay, and after that you know that all virus is made by chemically nucleoprotein. All virus is chemically nucleoprotein. This means that is made by protein and nucleic acid. So nucleic acid, that is RNA, and after that protein, that is the hemagglutinin protein. This is the hemagglutinin protein. Hemagglutinin integrase dimer protein. Okay, this is hemagglutinin esterase dimer protein, and this helps virus to take entry in host body, host cell, such as you know that spike protein is responsible for affect other persons. From the virus side, spike protein is responsible, and this hemagglutinin esterase dimer protein that helps spike protein to take entry in the human body to attached from the host side ACE type 2 angiotensin converting enzyme type 2 surface protein. This means hemagglutinin esterase dimer protein that helps spike protein to attach from the ACE type 2 host cells surface protein. Okay, and also that is a membrane protein, envelope protein. This membrane protein, envelope protein, is responsible for physiology of COVID-19, of SARS-CoV type 2. Okay, this protein, membrane protein, envelope protein, is responsible for physiology of this virus, and the nucleocapsid is responsible for protect packing of RNA, and hemagglutinin esterase dimer protein, that is help spike protein to bind from the ACE type 2 surface protein of host cells. Okay, after that This is the in RNA genome. RNA genome, that is also very important point, that in all RNA genome, size of this virus is largest. This means largest virus is COVID-19. Largest virus SARS-CoV-2. These figures is SARS-CoV-2. And this SARS-CoV-2 type of COVID-19 is RNA genome, and this is the largest virus in RNA genome. In RNA genome, this virus is largest virus, and also this size is largest. Okay, this size is largest and size is largest, and this virus is largest. Okay, so this is the knowledge about the COVID-19. In next classes we will take that what is the ratio of affecting people and how people affect. Here you know that from the virus side, spike protein is responsible, and for the host cells from the human side, ACE type 2 surface protein is responsible. This spike protein attached from the ACE type 2, then humans affect from this virus. In which system, in which part ACE type 2 angiotensin converting enzyme type 2 surface protein is present, that system is affected from this virus, from this SARS-CoV-2. Okay, and in which system this SARS-CoV-2 is not present, that is not in that part, that system is not affected from this virus. Okay.